The Coordinating and Development Corporation was originally chartered in 1954 as a private, non-profit, member-supported corporation that serves the economic, community, workforce, transportation, and business development needs of 10 parishes in northwest Louisiana.
I've been with the CDC a little over 30 years now, so it's an excellent organization, and I've had a lot of experience with it, and I expect good things to continue to come out of it. The CDC has an extensive record of economic improvement to the whole Northwest region, but particularly the rural areas. And they're the areas usually that need assistance from CDC, because most of them don't have the staff to do the sort of things we can do for them. So it's been very beneficial to all of us, but especially to the rural areas and some of the smaller communities. I can see it obviously continuing to operate as it has been in the past, but more efficiently. We've recently gone through all of our policies and standard operating procedures, and we've reduced a lot of the expensive and took those monies and reapplied them more directly to mission accomplishments. So I can see that we're going to be able to do things even better, because we'll have more resources available specifically to address the economic and community needs of the Northwest region.
In the late 1960s, the Louisiana State Legislature tasked the Coordinating and Development Corporation to be the Region 7 Planning and Development District, covering the 10 parishes of Bienville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Lincoln, Natchitoches, Red River, Sabine, and Webster Parish in northwest Louisiana. This is a responsibility we have been proud to uphold in the past and excited to evolve forward into the future. The Coordinating and Development Corporation's clientele includes parishes, municipalities, industrial and economic development groups, businesses, industries, special purpose governmental bodies, port authorities, the region's universities, colleges, and technical colleges. Governed by an executive committee of 3 and a board of directors, the Coordinating and Development Corporation employs a staff of more than 20 professionals with extensive experience in a variety of development and technical fields to ensure your needs are met. The Coordinating and Development Corporation is the conduit between several federal agencies and Region 7, which include, but is not limited to, the Economic Development Administration, EDA. The mission of the EDA is to lead the federal economic development agenda by promoting innovation and competitiveness, preparing American regions for growth and success in the worldwide economy. The EDA plays a critical role in facilitating regional economic development efforts in communities across the nation. The EDA structures its services through 6 national regional offices, with each office covering a section of states. Louisiana falls under the coverage of the Austin office. The EDA works directly with the Coordinating and Development Corporation to support the building of capacity for economic development based on the local business conditions and needs. Every 5 years, under its contract with EDA, the Coordinating and Development Corporation updates the Comprehensive Economic Development Strategy, CEDS, for Northwest Louisiana. The CEDS process involves looking at Northwest Louisiana's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Goals and objectives are formulated to deal with weaknesses and threats and to take advantage of strengths and opportunities, and an action plan is developed based on the established objectives. Updates are prepared annually to document progress made during the year in carrying out the goals and objectives listed in the 5-year action plan. Delta Regional Authority, DRA. The DRA is a federal-state partnership whose mission it is to improve the quality of life for the residents of the Mississippi River Delta region. The Delta Regional Authority makes strategic investments of federal appropriations into the physical and human infrastructure of Delta communities. Through the state's Economic Development Assistance Program, these investments help to improve transportation and basic public infrastructure, and to strengthen our workforce development system and local business environments. The Delta Regional Authority supports job creation and economic development through innovative approaches to growing local and regional leadership, increasing access to quality health care, and boosting opportunities for entrepreneurs to obtain affordable capital. The Coordinating and Development Corporation serves as DRA's local development district for Bienville, Claiborne, DeSoto, Lincoln, Natchitoches, Red River, and Webster parishes. United States Department of Agriculture, USDA. The mission of the USDA provides leadership on food, agriculture, natural resources, rural development, nutrition, and related issues based on sound public policy, the best available science, and efficient management. There are 5 offices in the state of Louisiana, with the city of Natchitoches being our regional office. The Coordinating and Development Corporation's partnership with the USDA helps to provide funding resources to aid communities in staying vibrant and relative to their citizens. Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, WIOA. The mission of WIOA is to strengthen and improve our nation's public workforce system and help get Americans, including youth, adults, and dislocated workers with significant barriers to employment, into high-quality jobs and careers, and help employers hire and retain skilled workers. WIOA is designed to help job seekers access employment, education, training, and support services to succeed in the labor market and to match employers with the skilled workers they need to compete in the global economy. The Coordinating and Development Corporation's Division of Workforce Development is the Northwest Louisiana representative for WIOA, excluding the city of Shreveport. As such, and through our network of business and career solution centers with field staff located in each of our 10 parishes, the Coordinating and Development Corporation is available to help employers locate qualified employees and assist job seekers in training and employment opportunities. As a planning and development district with the state of Louisiana, the Coordinating and Development Corporation skillfully administers the following: Louisiana Community Development Block Grant, LCDBG. CDBG program is a flexible program that provides communities with resources to address a wide range of unique community development needs. The LCDBG helps communities provide a suitable living environment and expand economic opportunities for their residents, particularly in low to moderate income areas. Municipal and parish governments which receive LCDBG funds must adhere to an overwhelming collection of federal and state regulations that control the expenditure of these monies. The LCDBG program presents a problem to many grantees because they do not have personnel on staff with the time and training necessary to ensure compliance with the required regulations. The Coordinating and Development Corporation's Division of Community Development serves the municipalities and parishes of Northwest Louisiana by providing LCDBG administrative services to grantees. Payment for these services and any administrative expenses that the grantee must incur as a result of the project are paid for from grant funds. Community Water Enrichment Fund, CWEF. CWEF provides a source of funds annually to aid units of local government in rural areas solely for the purpose for rehabilitation, improvement, and construction projects for community water systems to provide safe and clean drinking water. Upon request, the Coordinating and Development Corporation is available to assist your parish and municipality through the CWEF application process. Louisiana Government Assistance Program, LGAP. The LGAP is designed to fill the gaps where there are no federal or other state funds available to assist local governments with an identified high-priority need. Eligible activities include fire protection, sewer, water, renovations to essential governmental buildings, police protection, land acquisition, demolition, equipment, roads, drainage, and reasonable engineering costs. Upon request, the Coordinating and Development Corporation is available to assist your parish and municipality through the LGAP application process. Local Disaster Recovery Manager, LDRM. With the help of Economic Development Administration, EDA, and the Office of Community Development Disaster Recovery Unit, when a major disaster strikes an area, the LDRM, along with Federal Disaster Recovery Coordinator, FDRC, and State Disaster Recovery Coordinator, SDRC, coordinates fiscal and technical resources to facilitate the recovery and develop the community's long-term recovery vision for its future. In the event of a disaster, the Coordinating and Development Corporation is available to assist government agencies in Northwest Louisiana in applying for Louisiana Community Development Block Grant, LCDBG emergency grants, and the subsequent administration of the grant, if the application is approved for funding. Louisiana Capital Outlay Program. The Louisiana Capital Outlay Program allows for governmental entities and pre-registered nonprofits to apply annually for funding for local capital improvement projects that meet standards established by statute and constitution, as well as long-range policies and goals established by the legislature and governor. As a service to our membership, the Coordinating and Development Corporation staff will assist our members with the completion of their capital outlay requests. If your village, town, city, or parish needs a hand, let us help. The Can Do Company.